Basically, guys, what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to show you how to sort your fishing supplies. So basically, you're going to want to take all your soft plastics and make them into one pile. So put all my soft plastics into a pile there. And here. And these are soft plastics too. Right there. So there's my soft plastics pile. It's not that neat, but it's okay. So now we're going to go into crankbaits. This is the Rapala Down Deep Husky Jerk. This is the Crankin' Wrap. And this is in a shad colorway. This is in a baby perch colorway. And this is like in a crayfish colorway. Those are some crankbaits. And then we got these. What are they called? Square Bill, Pro Square Bill Series. All those. And the crankbait. And then this popper can go in the crankbait section too. Then the hooks. Leave them there. Now grab your tackle box. Which I did a recent video on this. Of this. Here. I don't know where my terminal tackle box went, but So anyways, now we're gonna go sorting. So in mine we have these boxes like I showed you. So right now we're going to do crankbaits. So we're gonna go into my crankbait box. And we're going to get some. So my poppers go here. But this popper will have to go down into this one since it's a little bigger popper. And we can probably put this popper on top of it. So there are my poppers. Square bills. I'm just going to have to make a new thing. The reason why I don't put dividers is because sometimes them baits don't fit in. Oh shoot, I hooked my shirt. And yeah, so when they don't fit in, it's not technically fair. I don't really have them in any order. See, I'm gonna have to squeeze these other ones in some boxes. This is a Husky Jerk. There. Yeah, I'm going to have to squeeze those. I might keep them in their cases and put them in side pouches because this box is already jammed. It's already full. So, put that box away. And we could probably add some into the spoons and flies. But, anyways, now besides that, we got soft plastics, which is this box here. I'm gonna have to move some stuff. Like this should be in the spoons and flies, because this you mainly be using for fly fishing and spoons. And I can just find it there. So, anyways, we're gonna organize this now. So I'm gonna grab my soft plastics and I'm gonna bring them over here. I'm gonna grab this soft plastic, bring them over here. So now, as you can see, we're already full on this box, so we're just going to squeeze stuff in. And for soft plastics, you only need about 3 of everything, so... No. These have hook guards on them. I hate them. But you can use them for spinnerbaits, so I put 3 of each of them in there. And you got trailer bait keepers, or trailer hook keepers. So keep the trailer hook keepers. So like I said, I put 3 of everything. That's what I like to do at least. So, and sometimes you have to jam them in. That's that. And these beetle spins are gonna go somewhere. I won't even use those for bass fishing, so that's kind of a waste. I got 2 left in this package. We're gonna take some crazy crawls some zoom. We're gonna take 3 of them. Oh, there's a different color. Or no, they're just different colors. See, on here, it's a pumpkin with black flake. There's double-sided to look like a claw. And we're gonna put those. Doesn't look like they're gonna fit there. See, this is where we're gonna have to squeeze some stuff in. Oh, we actually got 3 left of the power bait swim baits that I just put in. Now these crazy craws, we have about like 10 left. But these crazy craws, we're gonna have to kind of smush them, but one by one, and we're gonna have to fold the tails in. Now I might most likely be bass fishing. I don't like perch and that. Well, I like perch fishing, but I like bass fishing the most. I think it's the most exciting, so I'm just gonna go put that bag away. And what I do with this is what's in this top compartment up there. There's a bunch of bags to all my stuff, and I might even try and jam them in down here, down in the bottom of right here. And there, and that's my terminal tackle box down there. I don't even use the grubs that much, so I might even take those away. Now, these zooms, I'm gonna wait for the single box. These ones I can fit in here. I'll put 3 of those in there. These are pretty decent sized. I thought they were smaller. So I got 2 left of those inside there. These I'm gonna have to kind of squash in there too. Hopefully this box will shut without slamming some of the tails and catching them. Get it? Catching them. So that's it. All my bags that I'm not using are going into a pile. I'm gonna take these horny toad type things. I'm gonna put some of those in there. These will probably go. These aren't gonna fit in my soft plastic, so I'm gonna put them in my spoons and fly section. So I'm gonna spread stuff out. These are like horny toads, except for at Ollie's, they didn't have them. And the reason why I shopped at Ollie's because they had a fishing blowout, and they had like all these soft plastics were $1. If you didn't see. So I think this is all we can fit in this soft plastic box. Now, they had extra boxes in there. I probably should have picked them up. They were for $1. I probably am going to go back there sometime soon and get another box for soft plastics and that. And those should fit in there. Okay, that's my soft plastics. Cranks, Sinkos. Now in the Sinkos box, that's going to be worms. My only worms that I got were these. I swear I picked up more than them, but these are like 10-inchers, black with blue and green flake. I think I said black and something in the video, but I didn't mean that, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and lay these on top of my Sinkos. And as you can see, my Sinkos, I laid these on top, and my Sinkos are right underneath of them. And don't crinkle your baits, because sometimes they stay crinkled and you can't get them out. And when you go to fish with them, they're all like squirmy and that. And then in here, I'm also going to put some little minnows. They are purple and pink, pink with blue flake in them. They look like this. And I think that's all I can fit in that. And like I said, then I take a big pile, throw all my soft plastics into a pile, and I'll put those in a pouch. And I don't know what I'm going to do with these hollow belly things, but, oh, I can put 3 of them in here. That's what I could do. And the case only comes with 3, so if I lose them, I just go and stock up on the bag. And then these hooks will go on my terminal tackle. And that box can go out. And let's see if this closes. Well, it closes, but it's smushed. It looks okay. So yeah, that's for that box. And we're gonna try and squeeze more stuff in, so I'm gonna put spoons and put them all in one. So now we're gonna take some cranks and put them in this box. No, I'm just gonna leave the cranks in their boxes, and I'm gonna squeeze them in, because I don't want to goof myself out, because if I grab this, I would never hardly swim with spoons. Will this erase now? I wonder if I can... Hang on, guys, I'll be right back. So what I decided was I was going to designate a whole backpack for fishing. So I'm just going to make a separate video for it, so bye.